All right, so the infamous hammer effect. Got this, I think it was my third ball I ever bought. A little on the fast side. Slow it down. Sloppy strikes. Off of that one. Okay. Got stuck on it? Yeah. Okay. Right down the middle. And as I was walking back, the string must have knocked down one of them. The benefits of string pins. And the disadvantage of the string pins here, as you're witnessing, the marionette of string pins. Now the effect's coming alive. I was out in Reno last year, and one of the guys we played against in Reno at the California Bowlers Tour, he got his first 300. It was with a hammer effect. It was our first 300 that I ever witnessed. It was pretty cool. But since it wasn't a sanctioned event, he did not get a ring. He just got a piece of paper showing him they got a 300. He was kind of bummed. But it's still cool to witness. Waiting for it. I gotta rewatch that. I don't know what happened. I thought I left the 9. Oh, I thought I left the 10 pin. too fast. Damn open frame. I'm getting a lot of 10-pin practice. All right, 10 frame. .213 hammer effect. Blah.